In this lecture, we will understand the objective of Censys Tool. So, what are the features of Censys? It is a tool used for internet-wide scanning and search with respect to IoT device, Internet of Things. It allows the users to search for and analyze the information about network devices, servers and applications across the internet. Okay, so identify the tool with the following descriptions. Tool that collects the information about the IoT devices connected to a network, open ports and services. Tool also helps to monitor every available server and device on the internet. Your answer should be Censys. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.